signal to go long on the euro Australian dollar. So I'm going to get into this buy trade right away. So we're in the trade. I'm going to position my stop loss. So we've got stop loss placed, and now I'm going to place my take profit. So with the take profit placed and the stop loss placed, the reason I got into this trade was this one candle right here, this bigger white candle, gave us this big green bar on the tetragram. Now we've had this TBL across the top being green this whole time, which means we're only looking for buy trades. We're only looking to go long. Now we had this pullback in here, which turned the green bars on the tetragram to gray, and we even have a little green small bar here. But when we got this next big green bar, this was the conservative signal to go long. And all of the arrows, even these little arrows on the arrows panel, are green. So everything is looking really good for a buy trade. I'm in the trade, and I'm going to record this trade as it plays out. And when we win this trade, I will be back. I am back, and this was a nice fast trade. We're looking at the 5-minute time frame. So this took just less than 10 minutes. We had a beautiful trade, just went straight up. These are really nice looking candles. Again, 10 minutes. Let's see how much we made on this one. So on this particular buy trade, again, it was the euro Australian dollar. We made $3,344.81. And again, that was in about 10 minutes. And all of that is thanks to the Tradeonix trading system. Thank you for watching this live trade video, and I will see you in another live trade video.